Today we're excited to introduce the Pearington Mobile 25 Shelf Art Drying Rack, a must-have for classrooms and art studios. This heavy-duty steel rolling art rack cart features 25 wide and spacious shelves, perfect for drying large quantities of small paintings, watercolor pieces, posters, and prints without the risk of accidents or smudges. Each shelf lays completely flat, holding up to 3 pounds, and is spaced 1 inch apart to ensure your artwork dries quickly and safely. Designed with portability in mind, this rack comes equipped with 2 nylon rolling caster wheels, making it easy to move around your studio as needed. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, standing up to years of daily use in busy art rooms, and it's easy to clean with just a wet cloth or standard cleaner. The space-saving design fits perfectly in any classroom, art studio, or recreation center, accommodating art classes efficiently. With the Pearington Mobile Art Drying Rack, you can keep your creative space organized and your artwork pristine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.